is there shame in being sick? We get sick for a reason, and so if you look at the glasses half full, why did I get sick? You get a cold. Well, I let myself run down. Is there any shame? No, you basically look at what's going on and you go, well, I better take better care of myself. And if you're taking good care of yourself, well, just think, if you want to think more spiritually, go, well, there's another level. There's always another level. And so if you're taking care of yourself, you get Lyme disease, you get to overcome that disease. And the more people that overcome that disease, the more that that consciousness that permeates everything starts to understand the disease. Things change. HIV is a great example. In the beginning, HIV, people were dying. I worked in an HIV clinic. It was like, get your paperwork together. It was that bad. And people did not last. 6 months was a long time. Now, without treatment, and without taking care of yourself even, it's years and years and years. Our immune system, that 100th monkey consciousness, is learning how to deal with these things. And so we're also learning how to deal with Lyme. But for every person who deals with Lyme and says, you know what, I got to look at my diet, I got to eat maybe more organic food, I got to eat more vegetables, I got to eat less sugar, and you don't want to be eating sugar while you have Lyme disease, because those little bugs love sugar. And you start to learn that. Now, if everybody starts to learn eating better, don't eat the sugar, don't drink the soda, stop using so much pesticides on your food, then that whole consciousness is people are becoming healthier. And that one person who overcomes it then shares that information both consciously, like I'm sharing it, but also subconsciously in the collective unconscious, that every immune system starts to learn it. And so we're all rising ourselves out of it. So there shouldn't be shame. There should be, you should be happy. You should be glad that you have contributed to the greater good. And that's a better way to look at it. And if you messed up and you were drinking and not taking care of yourself and not sleeping well, then you take personal responsibility, but that's part of what we all have to do. And there's probably not one news show ever that hasn't gone on and said, we need more sleep. It's like everybody needs more sleep. You need to rest. You need to take a break and rejuvenate. And it's in the same vein. I would take getting Lyme as an indicator that you're doing some work on yourself.